Dear students, today I will start my topic from continuous statement of jump control statements. Continuous statement is a part of jump control statements. Under this topic, we will study definition, syntax, use of continuous statement with the loops and examples. We study these 4 points under continuous statements. Now let us see one by one. First, definition. I am giving you 2 definitions here for you, which is the best you can accept it. It is a jump control statement which is used to set the program control at the beginning of the loop in which it is used. In which it is used. Be careful. Continuous statement sets program control at the beginning of the loop in which it is used. It means it always sets program control at the start of the loop block. Now let us see the second definition. The continuous statement is used to continue the loop execution. The meaning of both definitions is same, which is the best to remember you can accept them. Now let us see the syntax. How do we write the continuous statement inside the program? Syntax is very simple and very easy. Just you need to write the continue. Nothing apart from this. Just write the continue. Now let us see how do we use this inside the loop. We are seeing here the third point, use of continuous statement with the loops. Here I am taking the example of while loop. I am going to explain you how will you use the continuous statement with the while loop of the Python. Just see. While test condition colon sign statement 1 if condition colon sign continue. This is the continuous statement that we are studying here. I am using the continuous statement. Next, statement 2 and then statement 4. I would like to tell you these lines from this to this are the loop body. These are the loop body and statement 4 is out of the loop. We can write it. These statements, these are inside loop body. And this statement is outside the loop. Now I am giving you the example to make you more clear. Example, s is equal to 0, c is equal to 0, while loop. This is while loop. S is a variable that refers the integer value 0. C is another variable that refers integer value 0. Now we are putting the loop and condition is c less than 6 colon sign. Be remember in Python grouping of statements are done by using the indentation. Indentation means space. This area is known as the indentation. This area is known as the indentation. Indentation. Again I am writing for you indentation. Indentations are used to make the grouping. Now we are writing here if condition c is equal to 5 colon sign and we are using continuous statement here. As well as Python interpreter reads the continuous statement, it sends program control to the beginning of the loop. Means it sends program control here and executes these lines again. If condition becomes false, if this condition becomes false, I mean as well as this condition becomes false, interpreter sends program control out of the loop. In this way, this statement will be executed. Dear students, now let us see the use of continuous statement with the for loop. Inside for loop, I am using continuous statement here as well as interpreter reads this line, interpreter sends program control to the beginning of the for loop and execution again starts from this line. Now let us see the example. S is a variable that is indicating integer value 0 and this is your for loop. For C in range, we are using range method here and this range method generates a sequence from 1 to 8 like this. This sequence, this range method generates a sequence that is given here and S is equal to S plus C, C is equal to C plus 1 if C is equal to 5 and this is your continuing statement that I am going to explain for you. We use continuing statement here. Print C and then print S. This statement is outside the for loop and these statements are inside the for loop. I would like to tell you and you need to careful at this point. Continuing statement is always used inside the if statement. Be careful again. Break and continue both are the jump control statements. Both are the jump control statements and both are always protected with the if statement inside the loop. Loop may be for, loop may be while. Execution starts from here as well as interpreter reads this line, sets program control here and we start execution again. As well as condition becomes false and program control comes to this point. I mean as well as sequence finishes, program control comes outside the loop and reads this statement and after printing the value of C, program will be finished. The output of this program will be C is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, sum is 36. One more thing that I would like to tell you, loop else statement. Loop else statement means else statement in Python. Else statement is used with the for loop as well as with the while loop. If we use the any jump control statement, I mean break statement. Yeah, in other words, we can say if we use any break statement inside the loop, then in loop else statement does not executed by the interpreter. Thank you.